Hey, quick heads up. I just got an email that I actually think is pretty interesting, especially if you follow points, travel, or housing stuff. You already know that Bilt lets people earn points on rent. What's new is that in 2026, they're rolling out a new version of the card that will allow members to earn points on mortgage payments as well. Rent still earns points. That's not changing. But mortgage spending is officially being added to the mix, which is new. Here's what's confirmed so far. The new Bilt Card 2.0 full details are being revealed on January 14th and is set to launch on February 7th. You'll be able to preview the cards, pre-order them, or do nothing at all if you want. There's been a lot of speculation online about earning changes and restrictions. Bilt has already said at least one of the supposed leaks is wrong, so most of what's floating around right now is just guessing. What makes this worth watching is that mortgage payments are usually the biggest monthly expense people have. Whether this ends up being a minor tweak or a meaningful upgrade really depends on the final structure. I just wanted to flag this early so you're aware of it. Once everything is officially announced on the 14th, I'll break down what's real, what's hype, and who this actually makes sense for. So hit that follow and watch out for my next video about this. Talk soon.